Today we're getting our fur under control and testing out a new cordless vacuum that has some unique features that I wanted to try. I've never seen a vacuum like this, but so far, I'm liking it. And this vacuum comes shipped to your door, ready for you to do some tidying up as well. Open up the box, and inside, you can find your instructions, hardware, a wall mount, charging cable, extension rod, a floor brush, your vacuum and dust bin, a crevice tool, and a 2-in-1 brush tool. And that's everything. You can mount the floor brush head directly to the vacuum and use it as a small handheld vacuum. Or you can take the extension rod, unfold it, lock it, and then snap it into the vacuum. Then put the floor brush on the bottom of the rod, and you'll have a standard cordless vacuum. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was too cool that you could fold the vacuum up to store it out of the way. You can literally fit this in a cabinet. So first impressions out of the way, it's time to charge it up and give it a test. I waited until it was fully charged, then hit the power button. It powers on quickly and shines a green light out the front to help see dirt, dust, and fur. Then you can press the speed button to cycle through the 3 different speeds. I used it on thick carpet, thinner rugs, and even hardwood floor. And honestly, it worked pretty good on all of them. The floor brush and suction really helped clean up messes, and I filled up the dust bin in no time. Our main vacuum can't get into those hard to reach places, but this one makes it really easy to clean up those nooks and crannies. And you can use it while folded to get into those places that are even more hard to reach. It swivels back and forth smoothly, and the light is also pretty helpful. I like being able to find and clean the fur in the shadows. I also like being able to use the crevice tool on the end of the extension rod. I can clean the ceilings and baseboards easily. Then I can put the crevice tool directly onto the vacuum and clean those other tough places. Or we can put the floor brush directly on our vacuum and clean our cat trees and shelves. It's lightweight enough that you can carry it and use it in places that you couldn't with the normal vacuum. Pretty cool. It also advertises that it's self-standing, so you can walk away from the vacuum without setting it down. And it does work, but it's also quite easy to knock over. So I just set it up right against a wall to give it a little extra support. Then the battery seems to be pretty long-lasting too. It gives you a percentage level on the side, so you can see how much battery you have. But the battery is built into the vacuum. This means you have to charge it directly and can't get a new battery if you have to. So here's to hoping that the battery lasts a while. Also, since the extension rod can fold, it does not extend. So you're stuck with the 2 predetermined lengths. But other than that, I'm really happy with this vacuum. I find myself vacuuming more since this is so much easier to use than our old vacuum. Our house is cleaner, there's less fur floating around, and I'm pleased. So if you're looking for a new cordless vacuum that really sucks, one that can fold up and tuck away, and one that looks sleek, this cordless vacuum might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go clean the house with my new vacuum. See ya.